Australia's James Patterson ruled out of the Ashes. Hyderabad pockets Saina Nehwal and Mumbai buys Lee Chong-wei in IPL auction. Martino said to be appointed new Barcelona coach. The Australians suffered another blow to their Ashes fortunes in the form of an injury to pace bowler James Patterson, which has ruled him out of the remainder of the Test series in England. Patterson has been diagnosed with a stress fracture of the lower back. The fast bowler underwent scans after the second Test at Lord's, which revealed signs of a stress fracture. This injury is the most recent one in the 23-year-old's career, who has had his fair share in the past. He suffered a rib injury while playing the South Africans last year and also sustained a foot problem on the Tour of India last year. The bidding for the 6 franchises in the Indian Badminton League was completed yesterday in New Delhi. Ace Indian shuttler Saina Nehwal was bought by a hometown franchise, the Hyderabad Hotshots, for $120,000 against a base price of $50,000. Meanwhile, the Mumbai Masters backed the men's world number 1 in Malaysian Lee Chong-wei for $135,000 against a base price of $50,000, making him the most expensive sale in the day's auction. Each franchise in the league is entitled to 1 icon player. Bangalore grabbed P. Kashyap, Delhi bought Jwala Gutta, Lucknow took PV Sindhu, and Pune took Ashwini Ponnappa. According to various sources in the Spanish media, former Newell's Old Boys and Paraguay national team coach Gerardo Martino is set to become the new coach of La Liga side FC Barcelona. The club has been on the lookout for a new manager since Friday, when Tito Vilanova announced his resignation to concentrate on fighting his throat cancer ailment. 50-year-old Martino hails from Rosario in Argentina, the same city as Barca talisman Lionel Messi. Stating that foreign coaches fail to understand the psyche of Indian players, former star Dhanraj Pillai has thrown his name into the probables list to be the new coach of the Indian men's hockey team. Pillai, who had an illustrious playing career lasting 16 years, stated that if given an opportunity, he would not only clear up the mess Indian hockey is in, but also deliver results in a year's time. After 13 years, the Delhi police have filed a charge sheet on the match-fixing scandal of 2000 involving the late former South African captain Hansie Cronje. The charge sheet alleges that Cronje was paid Rs 1.2 crore in 2 installments of Rs 60 lakh each by London-based bookie Sanjeev Chawla to fix matches between India and South Africa. The charge sheet has been filed on the basis of a CFSL report which confirmed the voices of arrested bookies in Delhi, statements of accused persons, Cronje's confession, and detailed call records of Cronje, Chawla and others. It also cites the findings of the King Commission's report on Hansie Cronje's role.